all the internals are cleaned up now. So the planetary system, that's all built back up. The new bearings are all fitted on there. So that's all done. It's the main front bearing and output bearing, those are going to the casing. Once the casings are cleaned up, ready to go. But all the internals, they're all clean. All your new seals and bits and pieces here. Your new chain. Checked everything thoroughly, so gone through everything, make sure there's no issues, everything's fine. Cleaned up the pumps, all assembled up, new bearing on the back of the pump, and the filter has all been cleaned and unblocked and flow tested, so this is all perfect now. So that's pretty much it really for the inside. It's all clean, ready to assemble. We'll get the casings done and then just assemble it up. Okay, thanks. So the chain is all reassembled back up into the casing with the planet gear. So this is all done now. It's assembled up. The chain is definitely much tighter than the previous one. It's not quite as loose. So it's just a case of putting the front bearing on and then bolt the cases together next. Okay. So this is your transfer box all finished now and assembled up. So new seals are in. Okay. We didn't do anything obviously with the motor. So it's all ready for you to pick up now.